Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I just love having bright lights when I step outside at night, and I'm delighted with this set of 4 that I got from Ainostone. These are solar powered, and I live in an area that does get quite a bit of cloud cover, and these have charged up and stay bright really long at night. I was surprised at how well they illuminate. I was expecting it to be kind of like a dull light, but these are extremely bright and you're going to be able to see everything around them very clearly. There's a little bit of assembly when they come, but don't worry, it's really easy to put together. There are clear instructions and you simply snap them into place with the little connectors. And then there are also connectors that screw into place for the light area and the area that goes into the ground. I found that these go into the ground really easily. In fact, I used a non-conventional form and just used a board, and they didn't break at all. They held up to all the abuse I gave them very well. These are also really pretty. I love that they are 31 inches tall and they're built to actually sway in the wind. It takes a pretty good gust to get them swaying, but that's really nice where I live too because we get pretty strong windstorms and these do not fall over. They just simply bend with the breeze and it makes it look really pretty. If you're looking for really sturdy, bright solar lights to use in your yard, I really recommend these. And that's my point of view.